A bigger round of applause, guys. ये आ गया देखो हमारा इंटरनेशनल खिलाड़ी. कम 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 प्लीज कम. ये इसको बोलते हैं ग्लोबल गुरु.
Incredible achievement, Dr. Venugopal Rao Viranameni from Capital Chapter. Incredible achievement for inducting 100 plus members in Hyderabad.
సార్ హలో ఎక్కడయా మాట్లాడాలి సార్ అట్లా వెళ్ళొద్దు సార్. सो ये भाई साहब हमारे एक नॉर्मल पर्सन जैसा कैपिटल में आए थे, बट नाउ दिस पर्सन इज बीन हाउ मेनी इयर्स सर इन BNI कैपिटल? 8 years. The way he has abused BNI, nobody in life in the world must have done this. Nobody must have done this. The example is here. It is going down. We want him to have another mala now. So yes, a bigger round of applause for him. Sir.
Thanks.
How? What do you do this? How do you do this?
Intention of giving, that is enough.
Okay.
Our intention is important. That is intention of giving.
Mike. Sir, come again, sir. Sorry.
My intention of giving and helping others, that is only the reason I am today here. Intention of taking, I don't get anything. I am sure that wherever I go, I try to, even most of the people come to my stall, I didn't ask any business, anyone. I asked what you want. That's my way of working. Then universe is giving to me. Thank you, and thank you BNI, thank you Sanjana, thanks Satish.
गौर से देखो इस आदमी को 1 to 1 के लिए छोड़ना नहीं. 3 महीने टाइम लेता है उन्हें तो नॉर्मल.
So I'm calling out the names. These are 100 points on Go Green for World Full Year. Dynasty Chapter, Abhiram. Disha Chapter, Satish Kumar Soma. Capital Chapter, Dr. Venugopal Rao. Pioneers, Dr. Mani Pavitra. Bullseye, Gyaneshwar Singh. Bullseye, Hasib Anwar. Oscar, Munira Jagannath. Asa, Rajkumar. Elite Chapter, Sunil Puri. 100 points on Go Green.
भाई ये मजाक नहीं है भाई. It's not easy. So there is another set of awards which you must have never heard before. It's before launch awards. सुना है कभी? नहीं. It's an extra mile award. इसके लिए सिर्फ 4 लोग आएंगे स्टेज पे. Any guesses for those 4 people? 4 people? 4 लोग. 4 लोग जो झंडा गाड़ते हैं BNI हैदराबाद में और बाहर भी. नाम चाहिए. 4 लोग, सिर्फ 4. So the first name is Dr. Veeramaneni for creating international opportunities. And the second one is Dr. Harsh for initiating and running. Okay, first we'll have Dr. Veeramaneni on the stage, please.
Dr. Veeramani on stage. Clap for him, everyone.
ये बंदा थक गया अवार्ड ले लेके अभी उसका हालत देखो बेचारे का. आप बैठ जाओ सर, मैं अवार्ड ले लेता हूँ. नो प्रॉब्लम. ही सेज नो प्रॉब्लम. ही स्टिल वांट्स. He creates international opportunities for not himself, for each and every person who does a one-to-one with him. So मैंने जो पहले कहा था, पकड़ लो, जकड़ लो, one-to-one करो इससे. वो 3 महीने बोलेगा, 3 बार बोलो, 3 दिन में आ जाएगा.
We are starting the Launching Chapters Awards. Congratulations for launching the first regional language chapter. Hall of Fame goes to BNI Akshara. I request Dr. Venugopal Rao Menomini to please come on stage, the launch director consultant of chapter Akshara.
I would also request the whole chapter to come and support him. The chapter which is
BNI
launched,
Akshara.
the catalysts who work for this, please request all of you all to join on stage, please.
I also request Mr. Kamal Jeet Sabharwal to please come on stage. Senior Launch Director, BNI Akshara.
Request all the chapter members who've supported as catalysts to Kaval, Dr. Veeramaneni, to please come on the stage. Do not lose this opportunity, guys. Please come. It's a proud moment for the launch director, for the catalyst, and the proud members. The proud BNI members.
Come on, everyone.
Come on, come on!
BNI Akshara, the first regional language chapter.
Mic testing. After BNI Wealth, we have BNI Amruta, Dr. Venugopal Rao Veeramaneni. Can I request the entire chapter to come forward, please?
That's BNI Amruta. Everyone, clap for BNI Amruta. Look at the energy. Come on, everyone. Centennial chapter, BNI Amruta.